Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. That's right, it's time for another video. This time I'm going to give you guys a little something that you will be able to use. Take this, share this video with everybody that you know because this could actually help some people. So what we're going to be talking about is collection companies. And I'm going to show you guys how you can stop these people dead in their tracks. Off the rip. Just stop them dead in their tracks. So the very first thing you want to do is to record all phone conversation with third-party collection companies. Always record them. Now, it can be an issue in certain states. There are two types of states. You have your one-party state, you have your two-party states. Now, let's go ahead and go over the one-party, two-party state. If you live in a two-party state, you must, and I repeat, you must tell the person that you are recording the phone conversation. You have to do that when you're in a two-party state. When you're in a one-party state, you don't have to tell anybody that you are recording the phone conversation because as a one party, that being you give yourself permission to record the conversation, and that's all you need. Now, I would suggest you go to Google to find out, what party state you live in. There's only a couple of two-party states out there. You already know the liberal places like California, New York, those are probably two-party states. But where I'm at here in Indiana, that's a single-party state, which means I don't have to say anything to anybody. I can just go ahead and record the conversation. Now, the whole reason for recording the conversation is because sometimes, third-party collection companies, they'll break the law. And when they break the law, you can use that to your advantage. You can actually threaten to sue them. You can threaten to sue them. You can show them the proof, and they may back off you. Not to mention, they might throw you a couple of dollars your way. Might give you, a couple of bucks, break you off something proper. Or they may just delete the file. Or they may do both, give you some money and delete the file. So you want to make sure you start recording all the phone conversations with third-party collection companies. Definitely do that. Now, your other weapon. This is the most powerful weapon. It is right here on the screen. And this here is a cease and desist letter. This basically tells the third-party collection company that you don't recognize them, nor do you deal with third-party collection companies. You're telling them to send this back to the original creditor, and you will deal with the original creditor if, in fact, the debt is actually yours. This is a very, very powerful letter because the law states that you don't have to deal with third-party collection companies. So when you send this cease and desist letter, they can no longer contact you. They cannot contact you. The only thing that they can say after you send them a cease and desist letter is they can say, we received it and, we're going to stop pursuing you or something of that nature. Or they can send you a letter stating that they're going to sue you. Now, you have to use common sense with this. If you have something that's only like $100, $200, who's going to sue you over $100 or $200? Nobody. Now, I'm going to tell you guys the perfect time to actually utilize this letter. Everybody has been in this situation. You go to the mailbox, you pull out some letters, and you see a bill. Maybe it's an emergency from the emergency room or something like that. You open it up and you see this thing that says, you owe us money. You need to make a payment of such and such and such and such amount. And what do? You take it, you throw it in the trash. But wait just 1 second, because what they were actually doing, because this is like the first attempt, this is before they actually put it on your credit. And by law, they have to do this. And what they're essentially doing is asking you for permission to put it on your credit. That's what they're doing. They're asking you for permission to put this on your credit. And by you not saying anything in 30 days, you gave them permission. It pretty much states it right there in the letter. If you don't reply back, we'll take that as a yes, and we're going to go ahead and put this on your credit. So you need to hit them with this cease and desist letter. This will stop them dead in their tracks. They will not be putting anything on your credit. And you need to share this video with everybody out there, man. This is something they probably don't want me to talk about, but this is how you stop them dead in their tracks, because they have to send you this letter. They have to send this letter to you before they can put anything on your credit. They have to get your permission to put it on your credit. And by you not saying anything, you gave them permission. So I wanted to share this letter with you guys. I actually probably made a video back, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago about the same subject, but I know I have a lot of new subscribers. And let me go ahead and thank everybody for getting me past 15,000, and it looks like we're going to be at 16,000 subscribers here real soon, probably within the next, I'm going to say next 4 days or so. At the moment of this video, I think I'm at about 15,600. I mean, we are picking up subscribers like crazy, guys. I'm going to try to continue to keep coming with this cool content, but for now, I just want to say thank you guys for, believing in the channel, and we're going to pick it up because I have some other things that are coming. Like, I just got approved for $450,000 through Navy Fed, and I'm going to be doing a video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what that is. What is that $450,000 for? Stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing you that here real soon. All right, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.
Tonight's the night, no wrong or right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red. It's the time of your life. Now put your hands in the air, from side to side, from left to right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red. It's the time of your life. Hey, you see the blimp fly by? I looked up in the sky and that bitch red at the world. I know it's been a long week and you tired of your boss and you think about getting lost. Come chill with a nigga, keep it real with a nigga. If you think about dipping off, then tell me how you feel about it.